When building a reliable and long-lasting dock, the choice of flotation is critical. While using barrels might seem like an easy and inexpensive option, air-filled floats provide distinct advantages that make them a necessity for quality dock construction. Air-filled floats made from durable materials like LLDPE offer superior buoyancy and stability. Unlike barrels, which can vary in size and condition, air-filled floats are engineered for consistency. This ensures your dock remains level and secure no matter the load. Barrels, on the other hand, can pose environmental risks. As they degrade, metal barrels can rust and leach harmful chemicals into the water. Plastic barrels can break down into microplastics, polluting the water and harming aquatic life. These issues not only shorten the lifespan of your dock, but also have a negative impact on the environment. Air-filled floats are designed for durability and low maintenance. They resist punctures, UV rays, and environmental wear, ensuring your dock looks great and functions perfectly for years. Plus, if they do get damaged, they can often be easily repaired, unlike barrels. Choosing air-filled floats over barrels isn't just a smart choice, it's a necessary one for anyone serious about quality, safety, and environmental responsibility for their floating dock.